Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dana, the HGIC, here at Divine Goddess Soaps, and I have a very exciting video for you today. This is the first ever subscription box, mold subscription box from Soapfistication. I am so excited for this. I can't wait to open this. I was actually in the middle of fixing myself lunch, saw the mailman out the window, turned everything off on my stove, ran out to the mailbox, and here I am in my soap room so that I could do an unboxing video for y'all. So let's go ahead and get into it here. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Soapfistication, it's a small woman-owned business, mold-making business in Canada, but she does ship to the U.S., and the shipping is actually relatively quick. And this box is sealed up part of God. Okay. Oh my goodness. Talk about presentation. That is freaking adorable. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a little thank you card. And then care instructions. Oh, and that says what's in there. I'm not going to look at that. I'm assuming... Oh, cute! Little stickers that say just for you. And you have great taste. Those are adorable. I wonder how she made those. Those are cute. Okay. I'm so excited. So, obviously, we probably have some sort of nautical theme going on here, judging by the tissue paper, and I'll reuse that crinkle paper. So let's go for this one. It's cylinder shaped. Oh, it's a fragrance oil. Okay, oh, beach balm. Ooh, and who's this from? The Blue Pelican. I've never heard of that fragrance oil company. I'm assuming it's probably somebody in Canada. Ooh, that smells really good. Ooh, that's going to be fun. That smells really good. Very, very summery, but it doesn't smell like tropical, overly sweet, like pineapple-y. It smells good. I'm terrible at describing fragrances. Also, I can tell you it smells good, or it doesn't really smell good. Oh my goodness, it's a little snorkel mask. Let me see if I can, let's see. Let's turn off this light here. See if that helps. There we go. See the little snorkel mask. Oh, that's cute. And she does a lot of the hybrid style molds, so it's just a one-piece mold. There's some makers that will basically only use those, and some makers that refuse to use those. To me, I don't care. As long as it's a cute mold and it's from a mold company that I trust, know, like, and love, I'll use the mold. I don't care what style it is. Oh my goodness! They're little seashells. The little seashells with the pearls. Yay! I want to do a Venus line, so this would be perfect for those. And with The Little Mermaid coming out, so excited about that. She comes out in theaters the day before my birthday, which is exciting. Probably won't go see it, but very exciting. Oh, it's a little octopus. She does the cutest character molds. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my goodness. Little fishies. And there's two different styles of fishies there. So cool. And so many options. So cool. It's a seahorse. Oh my goodness. Y'all, right now, the Under the Sea theme song is playing in my head. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to start singing it for y'all. But it's playing in my head. Oh, more little shells. So cute. Oh, what's this? Oh, cool. It's a little scraper. I love these things. Aww. And it says Soapfistication inaugural subscription box May 2023. So cool. You can never have too many of these. I'm telling you. Ooh, and this one's thick. This one's real thick. It's thicker compared to my other one here. See if you can see there. Oh, that's nice. Love it. So cool. Oh, I'm so excited to use all these molds. But thank you all for tuning in today. If you haven't, please pamper that like button. It means a lot to me to know that y'all are liking my content here. And take time to pamper your inner goddess, because self-care is important for every her, him, and they. Thank y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.